Hi guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to make simple electroculture antenna. Previously in previous videos I was showing this bamboo stick. It's 40 centimeters long, but this stick is good for indoor plants because outside it will probably get wet and be destroyed by weather within 1 or maybe 2 seasons. So for outside I prefer using those I don't know, bamboo, or they look like a cane sticks. They are designed for outside because those grow outside. So they are just I guess they are just dried up, and we use those a lot in plants outside, and they are very sturdy. I think I have some of those for several years right now. So you just need some stick, some copper wire, and you just rotate copper wire around this stick. And that's it. That's your electroculture antenna. That's your first electroculture antenna. You can do whatever you want with this side goes to the ground, and here you can do whatever you want. You can make some spiral, you can make some fancy designs, whatever you like. I like to play with those, so I make a lot of different designs at the top of the antenna. Just make sure when you put it into the plant, into the ground, just make sure that this goes closely to the roots of the plant. It doesn't have to be close to the plant, but this is supposed to give electricity to the plant, so plant roots should be somewhere close to those to this stick, to this antenna. Of course, you can make them as long as you want, and use whatever copper wire you have available. You can also use other other wires, not only copper. It can be steel wire, aluminum wire, whatever you have in your house, and just have fun with it, play with it, and test on your own if they are working or not. If I have some easily replicable results with my electroculture antennas, I will definitely share them with you. Right now they are working, but I don't have easily replicated results because I have a lot of different plans. I don't always have time to create control group, and it's a lot of work. So yes, I can say that electroculture is working, but to make people have different results with electroculture on the internet. I think this is because that we're missing something here, and we need some easily to replicate test, so everybody can test it. So that's what I'm trying to achieve right now. But yeah, this is how to make simple antenna. Use those canes, bamboo sticks, those stronger. They are more sturdy, although they are not perfectly straight. So yeah, this is bent, but it doesn't matter for plant support or for electroculture antenna. It doesn't have to be straight all the way up. And yeah, I think those are cane. Those are not bamboo sticks, but I don't know. Okay, and those you can still use. This is bamboo stick. Those you can still use inside. They will last a lot inside, but outside those are much more recommended. Or if you have, you can use whatever type of wood you have, whatever type of plant support poles, whatever you have. Those can be metal, those can be those fancy metal covered with plastic plant supports. I have those and I also use them. So this is for example this fancy one. So there's metal inside and there's plastic outside, so metal doesn't rust outside due to weather conditions. So, but they are the most expensive I use. Usually those are just as fine as those and much cheaper, so I prefer those. Okay, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.